How to connect Google AI Studio to API. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to connect Google AI Studio to API. So in order to do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So basically, to connect Google AI Studio to an API, you must generate a Gemini API key. This allows your application to communicate with Google's generative mode. First thing first, you want to sign into AI Studio using your Google account. Now then, you just want to click on Get API Key. So press onto the home menu bar and go to the home section. So when you go to the home section, you have these Get API Key. Select Google Cloud Project to associate with the key. If you do not have one, you will be prompted to create or import a project. Copy the string of characters. Keep this secret as it grants access to your account's uses and building as well. And next, you can connect the key to your code or third-party tools using these models. So what you want to do is set the key as an environment variables on your machines. This prevents hard coding sensitive key direct into your script as well. So you can also include the key in the header for the standard HTTP request to your Gemini API endpoint. Next, you want to manage the codes and billing, and that's how you'll be able to connect Google AI Studio to API. With that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.